Hello everybody, King Joe here. Well, I'm just going to show you guys, today in the mail I finally got the Edge of Blades package in my one toy I bought from eBay to finish off my thing, but I want to do the unboxing, but I want to show you how the package came in the mail today. Damaged, you can see. I'll be opening it soon. I hope none of the books are messed up. So, here I'm going to put the camera down and we're going to start the video. First off, let me just open up this small one I got, which should be the last DC Series 1 Heroic I needed. How the hell? How the hell do I get this thing back on it? Okay, there it is. Now, if you can tell, I got the black and white Superman, so now I have the whole set. And let's see about getting this. This is going to be rough. Open. Okay. Wow. Wow, that's wow. to say. Actually even afraid to open up this box thing. Well, guys, I hate to say this, but this will probably be my first and last trade with the Edge of Blades. I got all the books I ordered. I swapped them for. A lot of these are like, they're not even worth what I traded. Some of the books are in okay shape. My Legion of Superheroes 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I mean, they got bald spine damage. All-Star Western number 4, Batman Detective Comics 829, Batman and Robin 25, Onslaught Unleashed number 1, Daredevil number 6, Avengers Prime number 3, All New Ultimate Comics Spider-Man issue 9 and issue 8. You can tell on the side. Amazing Spider-Man 617. Amazing Spider-Man 540, 539. I mean, I'd actually knock these down to only in very good condition for all the Invincible Iron Man 70, 22. I mean, there's creases on the covers. I didn't even know that. These are actually the worst out of all of them. The Spider-Man Chapter 1, Issue 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Marvel Zombie number 2, Venom Enemy Within number 2, which this is in good shape. The Defenders number 84 is in really good shape. Compared, believe it or not, this older book's in better condition than some of the newer ones. Uncanny X-Men 493, Iron Man 71. '72, 74, 77, 615, Hero number 1, Hawkeye and Mockingbird number 2, Invincible Iron Man 20, Invincible Iron Man 21, I actually don't know what to say about this trade, really. I don't know if the books were, that bad before he sent them, or did they get all damaged? Because, like, look at I'm, like, speechless here. Because I figured the trade I did him for when I traded him, I figured, I basically went by non-fine or better pricing when I swapped him for what I swapped him. I think next time I am going to do a thing where I'm going to actually not do it with a kid under the age of 18 anymore. I'm actually heartbroken over this trade. Other than that, at least I finished off my heroics. I'll show you what I have now. I'll just show you my set. And I'm sorry, Steven, but I'm actually very disappointed, and I don't mind saying it. But here is my set of DC Heroics. Professor Zoom, Rare, Flash, Green Lantern, Superman, and then the black and white Superman, Martian Manhunter, Joker, Batman, and Batman. Then you have here the Marvel set. Captain America, Thor, Iron Man, the 2 Wolverines, the 3 different Spider-Mans, the 2 different red and white ones, and the clear one, and then the red and green Hulk. So, I thank everybody for viewing and subscribing. King Joe, out.